This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Plecher. Sparkling clean and ready to be seen. Spacious one-level home in Hoosier, Aloha between Bloomington and Ellettsville, featuring 3 nice-sized bedrooms, 2 full baths, open living/dining room, new kitchen, and a laundry room with lots of storage space. Seller has made numerous cosmetic updates as well as several upgrades. The entire kitchen is new: cabinets, countertops, lighting and plumbing fixtures, and stainless steel appliances. All interior walls have been freshly painted and all flooring was replaced. The master bathroom is new from top to bottom. Wait until you see the shower. Some of the other updates include new vanity and toilet and hall bath, new electrical switches and wall plates, new deck boards, and new lighting. For those that enjoy the outdoors, relax on the deck or covered porch in the backyard, where you'll also find a large garden shed perfect for storing lawn equipment.